We're ready to go.
Okay. Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. Today I want to talk about universal mower blades. And for all you new people out there, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I do appreciate it. It makes my day. Anyway, back to the subject. Universal mower blades. They're cheap, and you can find one that fits your mower usually, but they've got a side effect. A universal mower blade does not fit your mower the way a regular blade does. I bought a mower a couple of weeks back, and after a whole bunch of work on it, I finally got it running correctly. And when I started it, it started shaking. It started shaking badly, as you can see here. And it was shaking so hard I couldn't even get the thing turned off. And first thing I thought, of course, is bad crank. The crank's off center. And I was about ready to give up on it. And when I looked underneath it to see how bad it might be, I saw this. Here's our little problem child. Now, when you look underneath it, and I tell you, I was convinced this thing had a bad crank. Then I opened her up. Let's get you in here where you can see it a little bit. If you look at it, a little bit dark in here, but can you see that gap there? That gap was enough to finish us off. It was making this thing shake like there's no tomorrow. Now I'm not going to start it like this because, well, she shakes and it's scary. This thing can kill you. So let's pull this blade off. Let's throw a new one on real quick. Let me go grab a new blade. Okay, this is the one that actually belongs on it. Let's look at the two side by side. As you can see, the one that was on it has a really big hole, so it'll fit just about anything, and two slots, which are intended to accommodate the pins, no matter what they are. This is the correct blade. And you can see the holes are much smaller, and they're spaced correctly. They're not big, long slots. So let's throw her on real quick and see if she starts. So you see the two little pins here? These fit perfect in them. Okay, now we'll tighten her up. Now when you're first tightening it on with a brand new blade, it's going to be a little bit tough to get it through the pins, to get it lined up correctly because the paint on the blade will usually make it a little bit small, make the holes a little bit small. So, now if we look close at it, you can see that the pins fit perfectly in those little holes and the spacing is ideal. So we know this blade's on and it's lined up correctly. And that ugly space that it had on the top is gone. It's now nice and flush. So, as you saw before, this thing was dancing like there's no tomorrow. So let's start her up now and see what she does. I'm only going to run this for a minute because, well, it's still, let's see, what is it? It's 10 till 7 in the morning, and the neighbors hate it when I do this. And she's running nice and smooth. And all that vibration that you saw earlier was all due to the blade being universal, quote unquote. That mower is running smooth as silk now. Find yourself other places to save money. That blade is running 3,000 RPM. It's right next to your ankle. You can get yourself hurt that way. Buy the blade that fits the machine correctly. Don't bother with the universal blades. They're just not worth the danger you could put yourself in. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you next time.